Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're signing in first. Open OneDrive and use your Microsoft account so your cloud and PC link. Next, install or update the OneDrive app if needed, because the latest client fixes sync issues. When prompted, pick the folders you want to sync. This reduces clutter and saves disk space. Once done, OneDrive creates a local folder that mirrors the cloud. This is where your automatic syncing begins, so make deliberate folder choices now to avoid rework later. Now fine-tune which files actually live on your PC. Go to OneDrive Settings, Account, then choose Folders. Select only what you need to keep locally. Enable Files on Demand so placeholders appear for everything else. This saves disk space while keeping files accessible. If you work on a slow connection, set bandwidth limits under Network so sync won't stall your apps. Once these options are set, OneDrive will reconcile changes both ways. Local edits update the cloud and finish by confirming sync status. Look for the blue rotating icon during transfer and the green check when complete. If you see file conflicts, open the files, choose the correct version, and save. OneDrive will then merge or replace as appropriate. If syncing stalls entirely, sign out and sign in, or run a OneDrive reset which rebuilds the connection without data loss. If that doesn't work, make sure you're online and that storage quotas aren't exceeded. Those are common causes of persistent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.